Good morning, everyone. I'm Ashita and Shashank from Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from RNSIT, and our guide is Dr. Vijayashri ma'am. Today, we are demonstrating our project, Smart Footwear Health Checker. This project, this project is designed mainly for the elderly people, which detects the fall and pressure of a person, and also it gives the messages to the user who is taking care of that elderly person. Problem statement of our project is: fall is one of the major concerns in elderly people and children. Immediate assistance is often delayed because we don't know when and how accident occurs. Existing wearable footwear sensor is very costly and very expensive, so we have created a less budget, low cost project. Objectives of our project is: it detects the sudden fall of a person, it measures the foot pressure, displays the live sensor values, alerts the user using buzzer and also the vibration motor, and we can add Bluetooth module to it so that it goes to it so that the message goes to the user who is using this. Components we are using is nano, which stores the data, and we are using MPU 6050, which detects the motion, uh, at what angle the shoe is moving or footwear is moving. And also we are using OLED, it gives the sensor values on it, and also FSR sensor, which detects the foot pressure on it. And also we can extend this project by adding the Bluetooth module so that the message goes to the person.
So basically, the working principle behind this is the MPU 6050 is a motion and tilt axis detection sensor. So from the input of motion and tilt axis angles, we'll be taking the angles, also the FSR, which is the force applied on the footwear. So keeping these two raw data, we'll be training the nano where program. The nano will be programmed for initial values. If the angles exceed the programmed values, it gives a sensor buzzer. Also, vibration motor will be attached, where it gives a motion vibration motor and awakens the elderly person. So demonstration, it will be clearly shown where the how the working will be done. So mainly the advantages is it is a low cost, very portable, and easy to use. Even an uneducated person can use that. It consumes a very low power because the components which we have used is a very minimal thing. And in real time monitoring, it can easily give a very precise value because as we perform the demonstration, we got to know, and it's very suitable for elderly persons. Main applications is like elderly persons only. Even a toddler can use this on module because he can also fall in his early age. So in hospitals and like home healthcare centers, we can use this monitoring system. The future scope is like we can add a Bluetooth connectivity, mobile application, also a GPS tracking where is the footwear or where is the person is right now. Also cloud monitoring where the data can be completely stored and it can be trained for the future predictions. And it has a rechargeable battery. So this is the main idea. And we would like to conclude that this smart footwear checker is a low cost wearable system that combines motion sensing and also the access to detect the possible falls and prevent them and to give a good life to the elderly persons. Thank you. So this is the code which we have used to make the model. This is just a simple demonstration of the real time. So So I have uploaded the program and verified and compiled. Now I'll just take the FSR sensor and place it over here. I'll touch. So it's at the rate of 35 or 40, nothing will be happening. When the pressure exceeds above 150, the motor starts to vibrate and a buzzer comes out. So we can see the output directly here on the OLED also, as well as the serial monitor. So just see once more, like then right now the value is 44 or it's fluctuating around 50. As the pressure increases above 150, the motor starts to vibrate.